Hey guys, welcome back. Isaac from Undeniable doing another protein snack review. This one is Planet Food. This is the date, almond and blueberry slice. So far really impressed with these guys. Flavor's been really good. Only thing I'd say is fat's a little bit high, protein's a little bit low. But these guys are a vegan, they're a grain-free bar. So obviously for those people out there, if you're vegan, you need to make sure you're not on grains and stuff like that as well. Not if you're vegan, you need to stay off grains, just if you're vegan or need to stay off grains, then definitely check this out. The Woolies and Coles, I'm pretty sure we bought these from, so quickly going over the stats on the back, got 165 calories again, so that's the same as yesterday's and Monday's as well. You're looking at 7.6 grams of protein, so a good amount of protein, not too bad. You're looking at 8.4 grams of fat. Like I said, the fat's a little bit higher in these, and 13 grams of carbohydrates with 2.2 grams of fiber. So they do have a little bit of sugar alcohol in them as well. 3.7 and 2.2 grams. Nothing really. As long as you're staying under sort of like 50 grams of sugar alcohol a day, you'll be right, unless you're drinking like a lot of Diet Cokes, protein bars, and sort of like weird sweets. You're probably going to be fine. And even if you go over that 50, it'll just give you sort of like weird side effects, like maybe bloating, maybe stomach cramps, something like that. Alright, let's get into the taste of this. So this is date, almond, blueberry slice. So let's see how this goes. Surprised with the almonds and the fat wasn't a bit higher, but definitely can smell the blueberry. Okay. I really like this one. Very cherry ripe-esque, even though it's not raspberry. I think that's what cherry ripe's made of. This blueberry, it's got that sort of same flavour. The almond in it seems to be like maybe like almond slices or slivers, like thin, crackly like almonds. Really nice in it. The date you can taste in there, but it's more like just a sweetener. A lot of them, like a lot of these kind of whole food sort of raw sort of protein bars, they use dates a lot because they're really good for sweetening. It's not overpowering, which is really good. I like this one. I like this one the most. Stats on the back, the fat is a little bit high again. I think that's probably going to be a critique of these through the whole lot, but they are low calories, so even if you want to have one, even if you're on a diet, you probably will be able to fit it in without it sort of whacking everything out, just because it is only 165 calories. So, rating for this, I really do like it the most. All the flavors are like, they're not too powerful. It's sweet, it's yummy, got good texture. I think for this, just based on the flavor, because I really like the flavor, not so much on the stats on the back, the macros. I think this is going to have to be a 7.4. I really like the flavor on this one a lot better than the others. Definitely check that out. So this is the date, almond and blueberry bar from Planet Food. Back tomorrow, guys, with another one. We got one more to do, so make sure you check it out, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.